Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have credentials and a plan. Now sign in at Office. Calm and confirm multi-factor authentication. Once logged in, open the app launcher and choose Outlook, OneDrive, or Word Online to begin. Make sure your browser allows pop-ups and cookies so file previews and add-ins work. Next, set your language and time zone so timestamps and templates align. Finally, click OneDrive and sync. This enables autosave and fast uploads, so you won't lose work as you continue to create and share. Create a new document from Word, Excel, or PowerPoint online and pick a template if you want structure. Templates speed up standard tasks. Once your file exists, click Share, choose either a link or specific people, then set Edit versus View permissions to control access. Invite collaborators, and when you need real-time discussion, open Teams and start a meeting. People can co-author while you talk. Use comments and at mentions to assign tasks. Version history saves earlier revisions, so you can roll back if needed. When you're done, confirm autosave completed, then export to PDF or download a copy to local storage for archiving. Once done, review version history to ensure no required edits were lost, and tidy sharing links so only intended people retain access. Make sure mobile apps are synced and that your tenant settings, storage limits, and sharing policies match your needs. If something goes wrong, clear the browser cache, try an incognito window, and re-authenticate. This resolves most sign-in, permissions, and display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.